Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. From this article, you will learn how establishing research hubs, such as the Smart Laboratory on Clean Rivers, is essential for developing sustainable solutions and improving water management practices. Let's get started. The Varuna River is a sacred river that flows through the holy city of Varanasi. It meets the Ganges River just before it goes into the city. Unfortunately, the Varuna has suffered from pollution for many years. Domestic waste, raw sewage, agricultural runoff, and even cultural waste have all been dumped into the river. This has made the water dirty and unhealthy for plants, animals, and humans. But there's good news. Efforts are underway to clean the Varuna River. Recently, India and Denmark have teamed up to breathe new life into the polluted Varuna River. This joint initiative aims to establish a Smart Laboratory on Clean Rivers (SLCR) in Varanasi. The SLCR is a collaborative project involving the Government of India, the Indian Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, and the Government of Denmark. The Jal Shakti Ministry has provided an initial funding of 16.8 crore rupees for the SLCR initiative, while the Government of Denmark has pledged an additional 5 crore rupees grant. The lab will feature a hybrid model, combining a laboratory at IIT Bhu with an on-field living lab at the Varuna River to test and implement solutions in real-world conditions. One of the key objectives of the SLCR is to develop a decision support system (DSS) for water management. This DSS will utilize hydrological models, scenario generation, forecasting, and data analytics to analyze the water dynamics of the Varuna River basin. By integrating groundwater and hydrological models, the project will create a comprehensive river management plan. The 2 to 3 year project is expected to deliver several tangible outcomes, including real-time monitoring of the river's water quality and flow rates, user-friendly tools to visualize and analyze data collected from the river, and scenario simulations. The SLCR project holds the promise of a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable river ecosystem. As the initiative progresses, it is expected to serve as a model for river rejuvenation efforts in other parts of India and beyond. Even though you might not live near the Varuna River, there are still things you can do to help keep rivers clean. A few ideas include not littering and instead following the principle of reduce, reuse, recycle. By working together, we can all help to ensure that our rivers are healthy for generations to come. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned joint efforts between governments and institutions, like the partnership between India and Denmark, are crucial for addressing environmental challenges effectively. Establishing research hubs, such as the Smart Laboratory on Clean Rivers, is essential for developing sustainable solutions and improving water management practices. Everyone can contribute to river health by minimizing waste, avoiding littering, and being mindful of what they dispose of, highlighting the collective impact of individual actions. We hope you liked this story.